Ignite your projects with Lady Kerosene, a truly captivating and uniquely combustible member of the Planet X Girls collection, hailing from Planet X. Utopian world just beyond our solar system where crime, poverty, and ill health are things of the past. Lady Kerosene, like her sisters, serves as an ambassador of peace, love, and happiness to the universe. However, this beautiful visitor comes with playful, fiery warning. She's highly combustible. Keep those sparks at distance or you might experience an unexpectedly explosive encounter. This thrilling edge adds unique twist to her otherwise serene and diplomatic mission. You need Lady Kerosene, Unforgettable Concept, an ambassador of peace with an explosive secret. Narrative goldmine, striking visual design. Features chic white, gold, and pink outfit, complete with signature winged headpiece making her instantly recognizable. Animation ready, body hands. Lady Kerosene is expertly raved in her body and hands, ready for posing. Expressive gestures and dynamic animation sequences. High quality detail. With nearly 500,000 polygons, this model offers exceptional detail suitable for close-ups and high-resolution renders. Massive format compatibility. The package includes an extensive range of file formats, ensuring seamless integration into virtually 3 software or game engine. Customizable expression. Her face head is intentionally left unrigged, giving you the creative freedom to implement your own custom facial rig or maintain her cool, composed demeanor. Part of the Planet X Girls collection, expand your universe with another unique character from this intriguing series. Star.